Do you guys want to update your kitchen for a fraction of the cost? All you need to do is go ahead and update your handles. It's that simple. Go ahead and find your favorite handle on maybe Amazon, or go over to your home improvement store, count your handles out, purchase them, get rid of the old, and put in the new. Let's get to work. I'm going to change these out now. One more thing. After taking off the handle, the new handle is not going to cover where the old handle was, so grab yourself a wet rag, maybe a Clorox wipe or something like that, and then clean the area around where the handle once was, so that way when you put on the new handle, it's going to look brand new. Just like that, 29 more to go. Just like that, we were able to take the old kitchen handles and then transform them into what you see here. A little bit of elbow grease, using the miracle wipes, which work fantastic to get that dirt and grime off of the cabinets. And then I was lucky enough that the cabinets were laminate, they weren't wood, and that's why we were able to use the miracle wipes on it, and they cleaned up really, really good. Thanks again for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Also subscribe so you never miss out on the latest content. As always, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.